Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Carpathian Grey. Starting our journey from the front, where we'll find the pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead, along with increased road presence. Cascaded along the sides, you'll see further sporty and stylish features as it sits proudly on a set of 21-inch satin dark grey alloys. To the rear, you'll also notice your rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of the rear LED tail lights. As we now open the powered tailgate, which can be done via a single press of the key or a button as demonstrated here, you will reveal a vast amount of boot space, perfect for a weekend's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. Looking to our left, you'll see easy to access controls for electronic air suspension, as well as your electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. Within the rear of this vehicle, passengers are certainly going to enjoy their Deep Garnet and Ebony perforated Windsor leather, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 20-way heated front seats with driver memory and rear power recline, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at your leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. Ahead, you'll also see your fully digital display. Advancing over to the real centrepiece of this Range Rover's interior, which is your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which, as you can see, is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your 3D surround camera, where you'll also be able to access your electrically deployable tow bar from within your entertainment screen, as well as various climate control systems and heated seat functions, and you'll also be able to access your electronic air suspension, as well as various different terrain response settings and dynamics. As we finalise our journey, we look up to see your sliding panoramic sunroof, which is going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE, which we now have available at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.